Guys, good morning. Today we are going to Myanmar and Laos border, Golden Triangle. So Sprite has come to pick us up there. So see you. Guys, this is still we are in MFU and we are crossing this green tunnel. This is known as green tunnel because it is covered with the trees from all the sides. So Mama Papa sitting at the back and Sprite here. Can come like this as well. आ गए हैं पापा मम्मी ये तो है. So now we are out of the university main road. From here we're gonna take the right turn and then we'll we'll start the journey. So guys, ये जो बिल्डिंग आपको दिख रही है, this is from Laos, another city, another country. Guys, here we have reached the Golden Triangle. We'll show you the views soon. Stay tuned. Guys, here we have reached the Golden Triangle. So I'll show you. Ow. हाथी है यहाँ पर और बाकी दिखाते हैं. So guys, this is the Buddha here and गणपति जी भी है हमारे. And this one is Mekong River actually. So जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था that those buildings, those are from another country, that is Laos, and this area is of Myanmar, and currently where we are standing is of Thailand. So here it was believed that in 1915, not believed that, it is stated, I have read in the literatures. So it's mentioned that this area is Golden Triangle because in 1950s they used to do the trade of opium. So it was like considered to be as gold at that time. So that is why it is now famous with the name of Golden Triangle. Monkey, what he brought something. He is saying that this is chicken. They are praying this Garud or something, not chicken. So ये देखो अभी हम इसके ऊपर जाएंगे. So now I will go to this point. They are discussing about the construction material of these elephants. Interested in going up?
No,
I'm fine. Yes. It's mentioned don't take off your shoes, can wear. गाइस ऊपर आ गए हैं हम और ये और भी ऊपर हैं. खैर and this is the back side of this Buddha. So guys, this is casino.
that one, the yellow, the gold one.
The golden one, this one, this is casino. तो कैसा लग रहा है माता आपको यहाँ
बहुत
आकर?
अच्छा लगता है सन।
माय
आई एम
सन,
वेरी 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 हैप्पी।
किसको देख के? बुद्धा।
बुद्धा को आपको देख के।
दो जॉक पीछे आ रहे हैं हमारे स्प्राइट एंड बाप। तो अभी हम दिखाते हैं, हम अगली जगह पहुंच गए जहाँ दिस वी आर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड। तो ये तो वही बुद्धा वाला एरिया जो आपको दिखा था, इसकी बैक साइड। तो अब हम आगे जाएंगे यहाँ से। माऊ थोड़ा तौली चलो, तौली तौली वॉकिंग, देखना गिरते। यहाँ शकरकंदी और खाने की बहुत सारी विभिन्न प्रकार की आइटम्स हैं। तो ये देखो, हाँ ये मुझे याद है, हम यहाँ पर आए थे लास्ट टाइम। This is the area where we came earlier last time. Remember Sprite? We came earlier also here. And that's the point where we took the photographs. So today also we're gonna take here only this point. And देखना वो वहीं की। So guys, here you can see this is Golden Triangle. This is Myanmar, Laos and Thailand. This is Thailand where we were standing, and that area which you are seeing from there, that was Myanmar, and here where there were casinos, it is Laos. Nutshell. Guys, this was all about the Golden Triangle over here where three rivers meet, and where there was a business in 1950s of the opium, so which was valuable. This is in nutshell I'm telling you. So it is around 40 kilometers from our university, and he asked about the boat trip. It costed around 1,200 baht, and up to where?
To Laos, but you have to pay for like more
Visa.
50 baht.
Okay, more 50 baht we have to pay to Laos, means another country they will take from the boat. 1,200 baht per person, right? Okay. See you guys in the next vlog. Now we are going to some skywalk, another place from here. So bye bye for this vlog. Say bye everybody.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
See you in the next vlog.